In a world where every floor is a new destination, one name has been lifting dreams since the 1980s. Beacon Elevator Company Pvt. Because rising is not just about height, it's about vision. From the ground up, we haven't merely founded elevators, we meant to build trust, alter skylines, and redefine the ability to rise beyond limits. At Beacon Elevator, the technology is more than facile. It is the motive force. From intelligent controls to energy-efficient motors, innovation powers everything we manufacture. Be it freight, passenger, hospital, automobile, dumbwaiter, or flame-proof, our solutions are engineered for pinpoint accuracy and safety, and to give seamless vertical mobility. We marry decades of experience with cutting-edge technology to provide smart, dependable, and adaptive systems that take on every challenge, literally. Strength at Beacon is not just a mere building. It is created through engineering. Every elevator we design is a benchmark for quality and performance. Advanced closed-loop technology, ensuring 100% leveling accuracy and gaining a jerk-free and seamless ride time after time. At Beacon Elevators, our vision is clear: to redefine the concept of vertical mobility with technology that inspires, uplifts, and connects the whole world. Driven by values of innovation, excellence, and commitment, we assure precision installations by the trained team using modern tools and safety standards. Providing world-class mobility solutions to hospitals, residential apartments, commercial buildings, villas, factories, and power plants. Apart from serving global markets, we've also played a great strategic role in the Indian governmental infrastructure, being trusted wherever vertical movement comes into play. Because at Beacon, we do more than just move people, we connect worlds. A legacy forged in performance, innovation, and trust. Each milestone, every certificate, and landmark project. All these stand not as our achievements, but as the working proof of our promise. From prominent installations to world certifications, from happy clients to accolades from the industry, Beacon Elevator keeps soaring higher with every elevator it erects to set greater benchmarks for itself. At Beacon Elevator, sustainability isn't merely a commitment, but a philosophy. We consider energy-efficient systems and the reduction of environmental degradation as two of the many building purposes. Through worthy CSR interventions, education, community empowerment, and future nurturing, we are bringing about change that uplifts more than just human beings. Because actual progress is not rising higher only, but doing so responsibly. As cities rise high and lives move fast, so does Beacon Elevator, lifting the world, one floor, one dream, and one innovation at a time. Built on legacy, powered by technology, and driven by purpose. We are Beacon Elevator Company Pvt. Rising beyond limits.